Latest developments on COVID-19, 149 new cases today in Allegheny County. And statewide, there are more than 2,200 new cases. Western Pennsylvania, part of the fall surge of COVID. Just yesterday, the U.S. set a daily record for COVID cases. We had more than 80,000. Despite the high case counts, there is a silver lining to this fall surge, and Channel 11's Gabriella DeLuca explains it.
Even though we are in the middle of the fall spike of COVID-19, Dr. Rachel Levine is saying that we are better off now than we were in the spring. It's another day of three-digit COVID-19 numbers in Allegheny County. County health officials reported 149 new cases in the last 24 hours.
This fall resurgence is here. You're seeing what has happened in other states in the Midwest and the Mountain West. Pennsylvania is not an island, and I do expect that we're going to see increasing case counts in Pennsylvania.
Dr. Levine said over the last week, 50 counties throughout the state have seen coronavirus case increases, and hospitalizations are also up from the summer.
We are seeing an increase in our hospitalizations. It has gone up threefold, down from 400 at the end of August, now to well over 1,100.
But they're down from the more than 3,000 that we saw in the spring. Even so, state health officials will be keeping an eye specifically on hospitalizations and react if health systems get overwhelmed.
As we see the case numbers increase, we're going to be watching really carefully our potential downstream impacts. And so that includes hospitalizations. That includes the number of individuals in the intensive care unit on a ventilator. We'll be watching our PPE.
As for the resurgence, Dr. Levine points to community spread.
What we're seeing in most counties is community spread. This is the impact of large gatherings. This is the impact of small gatherings, as well as people being out and about in businesses.
Even though cases are on the rise, Dr. Levine does not plan to go back to red or yellow phases like we were in during months prior.
We are in so much better place than we were in the spring. Hospital care has improved significantly. The intensive care unit care provided by medical professionals has improved. We have therapeutics such as remdesivir, such as dexamethasone, and other potential therapeutics.
Dr. Levine also gave guidance on what to do for the upcoming Halloween weekend and how to make sure that you and your kids stay safe. I'll be working on that part of the story for Channel 11 News at 6. Reporting in Pittsburgh, Gabriella DeLuca, Channel 11 News.